beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make the most delicious super moist orange cake. This is very easy to make. It turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in eggs, sugar. I'll whisk this for about 3 minutes so well combined. You do not want to over whisk it. So I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. After everything has come together just like so, I'll go ahead and add in oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice apart from the strong one like olive oil. You can't use olive oil, maybe vegetable oil or maize oil as well. After sieving in the flour, I added in baking powder as well. So I'll go in with the machine again and mix till well combined before adding in the rest of the ingredients. This recipe is very easy. It's simple. After I added in orange extract and the zest from the orange, I'm using 2 oranges juice. So I used 2 medium-sized orange, like the juice. I squeeze out the juice and then I added it to it. So whisk till well combined again, and basically does it. This is very simple, easy, and you're good to go. You can even add all this to your blender, whisk or blend till mix well and bake this. It's very simple. So before, make sure you grease your pan and then sprinkle a little bit of flour. Bake this at 175 degrees Celsius from 45 to 50 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is how mine turned out. Just look at it, guys. I said bake it at 175 degrees Celsius from 45 to 50 minutes. If you are using less eggs, maybe you could just, or until a toothpick is inserted and comes out clean. Guys, look at this cake. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Not just beautiful, it's moist and it turned out so delicious. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this amazing cake. This is delicious. It's beautiful. It's yummicious. It came out so well. Look at this, guys. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.